Kincaid Auction Realty is conducting a huge internet auction of sign making and printing equipment in Homosassa, Florida. The auction ends on June the 12th. Highlights include a Gerber GFX 15-inch digital die cutter, an Epson S3067 SureColor large format printer, and a SumaCut D140R die cutter, and a Leadco 60-inch model ESPSL 602 laminator. There are numerous partial rolls of vinyl sign making and wrap material of various lengths, several unopened rolls of new vinyl. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com, for more details and follow the links to register and bid on this huge event. We have other items in this auction, including commercial sewing machines, woodworking tools and equipment, and fitness equipment. Don't tarry, though, because the auction will end on Monday, June the 12th. Go to www.kincaid.com for your best deals.